Today we're taking a look at this IMOU 2K Cell-Go solar panel CCTV camera. Well, to be honest, I don't even know how to pronounce that name. IMOU. I-M-O-U. I don't know. Never really heard of that brand, you guys might have. But it is classified as a 100% wire-free, waterproof CCTV camera. So obviously it just states right there, 3 megapixels. So we'll have to see what the camera footage is going to be like. And looking at the features at the side of the box, it says it has a rechargeable built-in battery, it has night vision, obviously it says IP65 waterproof, it has a 2-way talk system, human detection, vlog mode. Vlog mode? Why would you need a vlog mode? You're going to stand outside in your garden doing like TikTok videos or, I don't know. I don't get that, vlog mode. Anyway, yeah, it has a built-in siren too. And judging by this QR code just there, it seems that... What is this for? Amazon Alexa? Oh, well, we'll soon see anyway. We'll soon see. So, like we used to do, inside the box. I've done that for a while. And I must say, very well packaged. First things first, we do get the IMOU... I can't understand how to even pronounce it. IMOU Quick Start Guide. So this is the version 1.01. Oh, I hate fold-out guides like this. It's a headache. Makes me want to read it. Too lazy. Anyway, we do get somewhat of a guide on how to fit it to your wall and how to set it up and so on and so forth. So I'll chuck that aside for now. Looks like a ball ache. But underneath we do get that solar panel. So yeah, this is the hang on a minute. It's upside down. Yeah, the logo has to be this way. Otherwise it's going to say now I. So yeah, we got the IMOU solar panel. If you look to the rear, we've got that fitment mount hole, and it looks like we've got an attached, quite long, hang on a minute. Oh, for fuck's sake. Micro USB. What year is this? Is this 2010? Next, we have the fitment bracket, which obviously is going to fit onto your outside wall. Obviously, we've got the screws that are supplied to help fit this to your wall. So again, what we're gonna do, Trump?
We will drill, baby, drill.
Yeah, like he said. And once that mounts on, we're gonna attach that solar panel. So make sure you place this solar panel at a good height in an area where it's gonna receive most sunlight. Now, also supplied within the package, once again, we do get a micro USB charge cable. This is to initially charge the camera itself within your home. So here we have the camera, we have night vision built in. So this is your infrared lens just here. We do have a built-in microphone too. As you can see, there's that IMOU logo to the left hand side. Yep, branding's on point. And underneath and sheltered, we have the power on button with a little reset hole underneath too. With that charge port obviously being to the rear, as well as that mounting hole. So now we've shown you the features, we're going to simply attach it to that other mount that's included within the package, and we're going to use those other supplied screws. We're going to drill baby drill once again, place the mount up on the wall just below the solar panel, attach the camera to that mount and adjust it to the right angle. And while using that downloadable IMOU app, we can now visually just simply adjust and get the best view in order to pick up most of the footage of our garden. Now, there's a few rules here, guys. If you've got security cameras or CCTV within your home, you shouldn't really be pointing any type of cameras at your neighbour's house, windows or gardens. If you actually catch a burglar in the process of robbing your fucking home, you know, like little heads do, well, you won't be able to use that footage if it is indeed pointing at someone else's property. Yeah, I only just learned that. So make sure you adjust the camera using your mobile phone as a visual aid, and once it's in place at a good height, and it's not reachable by the way, otherwise you can just simply take the camera down and bog off, well, you now should have the peace of mind to view your garden, driveway or home from your workplace while being mobile. Alright, first things first, let's head on over to that IMOU Life app. As you can tell, the camera's just connecting right now. Okay, there we go. It's in live streaming view. It's all peaceful. Nothing seems to be going on except for that moss on that patio building up quite substantially. Jesus, that needs cleaning real quick. From that live view, if we turn our mobile phone device to the left or right, it will rotate that screen so we get a better display of that live streaming view. Now, if we click the screen, we've got a number of options to choose from. We can, in fact, zoom right in to specific areas up on that screen. The imagery is nice, crisp and clear, really impressive. Let's turn my device back around. And as you can tell, after around about 60 seconds, the camera will go into sleep mode. This will obviously save you battery life because after all, that camera is solely powered via that solar panel. Let's awaken it just again, just for now. And if we want to, just below the live streaming view, to the left side, we've got the still photo function. So we can take a picture. Nice. Or if you want to, go to the right side and let's do some recording. When we stop recording, any of the footage that's captured will save to your mobile phone album, and that last option to the right side of that camera option, we've got the microphone function, where we can communicate to our loved ones if they're barbecuing in the back garden, putting the washing out or whatever. Can communicate to them from work, from abroad in fact, anywhere where there's a good Wi-Fi signal, or in fact, if you haven't, it will use your internet data to connect. And by the way, you don't have to worry about privacy, because this app will stop anyone intruding on your privacy when using a conjoined Wi-Fi connection, such as walking around in a supermarket, etc. So if we drop below to the features box just here, if we go to the right side of that box and choose the more option, it will drop down and expand. From here, we've got the particular mode you intend to choose, such as the privacy mode. You can disable that privacy mode just by clicking it once again. We've got the siren function to scare away those pesky thieves. And we've got the resolution option too. Right now it's in 2K, we can choose 1080p or indeed 420p, which you'd be shocked to know that the imagery is pretty much nice and clear and will save you a substantial amount of space on your storage. Resolution right now is in 2K. We've already looked at that footage. Nice crisp footage. In fact, it does actually do right by what it says in the box for once. Unlike other brands, you know, when they state that the camera's 4K and all that, and it's not, it's more like 720p. If we want to choose our particular type of mode, let's choose that performance mode option just here. At this present moment in time, the camera is indeed within standard mode, so we will have a recording length of up to 8 seconds, which basically means if a cat has run through a back garden and disappeared over the fence, it won't continue to record more than 8 seconds, but if there is someone in your back garden walking around, well, it will record for that amount of time that that person is indeed in front of that camera. Now, if we choose high performance mode, the recording length will increase to 15 seconds with a detection interval of 30 seconds. And if we choose the ultra power saving mode, well, this will support streaming only with no push notifications whatsoever and no live recordings. Neither will recordings be saved, and this will mute all alerts to minimize power consumption. Now, we want the battery to last, so we're going to place it in standard mode, and in this mode it will only alert you of motion detection when you're indeed away from home, or in fact if you're at home already but you're just too busy to, you know, look out your window or whatever. If we go to this playback button just here, it will come up with a timeline of that particular day you're on. You can shift through it. You can just about make out the orange bars up on that timeline. That's where the motion was detected. So as you can see, there I am, right there, acting all shifty in the back garden. Yeah. And we do have a calendar function too, so we can shift back a good number of days. We've got live events, so we can choose which event to go back to when motion is detected. Now, all of the motion detection will all be saved in all recordings. This is on the cloud surface, but if you intend to save some of that footage, click through some of the recordings until you found your particular one you intend to download, and, well, download it. And it will be saved to your mobile phone album. Let's go back once again. And lastly, from that main menu, you can just about see the Wi-Fi signal just above the GoCam 1. But if we shift over to the right hand side, to the top right hand corner where those two little dots are, let's click that option. We'll come down with a drop down menu. From here we can set up all of our notification settings, recording settings too, share the device should we wish, And here we have the device details, which will display again that Wi-Fi signal, the remaining battery percentage level, and also what remaining memory we do have left within our local storage. Now, there's only a few other remaining options to choose from. We've got night vision, so we can choose to turn it off should we wish. We don't really want to turn that off. We need to keep our home all nice and secure, don't we? And one of the last options that I'll need to show you guys is the time-lapse video function. Now, if we choose this option, that time-lapse video option will take a series of images at regular intervals over a period of time, and it will combine them into a short video and photo album. So this can be basically used to record various events, such as flower blooming, or in fact building construction. We could have done with this when we built our studio cabin. So yes, that's the IMOU camera. I must admit, the camera footage, while it's live streaming, is quite impressive, to be honest. There's no distractions or pixelation when zooming in, and the live footage has actually been nice, crisp and clear. To be honest, we've got super fast broadband in this house. Again, it all depends where your camera is going to be situated. First, have a look at your IMOU app, connect it to the camera, and when placing this camera up on your wall outside, make sure you have a look at the Wi-Fi signal to enable you to place the camera at your best preferable location. Yeah, I do like the live streaming image. You do get a real good wide view, by the way. The only thing I would advise, guys, when using the app, and in fact using the camera itself, make sure you fully charge the camera before plugging it in, just to enable the full recharge via the solar panel. And if you're intending to use it with, say, 5% battery level with the solar panel plugged in, well, if you're going to be live viewing or motion is going to be detected, a lot of the time the battery will cut off and the camera will indeed go offline. So yeah, a simple bit of security. In fact, we built a brand new studio in our garden. It's a 20-foot log cabin, and this camera came right in time, and it gives us that peace of mind, especially when we're in bed at night or we're chilling in the front room. We can just simply look at our phone and have a little gander what's going on outside. So if you want to check this particular camera out for yourself, I've left a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, as you may have noticed within this video, but if you have liked what you've seen, well, why not go ahead, click that link and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video right now. Making sure though to subscribe to this channel, and I want you guys to stay along with us on this journey to 100k. In order to do so, please hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on my very next uploads. Now, it's been great reviewing this camera, and I must admit I've actually had it in my possession for almost 7 months. Yeah, I actually forgot it was in the back of my locker like a lot of stuff. And oh, by the way, if you want to check this studio out, I've actually got this video just there on the screen, and you can see what I've got up to while building it. But if that doesn't interest you, what about this very next video here? Come on, you got to click that. No? Are you still here? Oh, well, hang around for our very next upload then. See you in a bit. Peace.